My name is Jenna Smith, and I lead a team of physics faculty that are transforming our engineering physics course. As a physicist, I like numbers. So my one-line summary for this talk is 500 students, 3 years, 4 goals, and 1 course. Each year, about 500 students take engineering physics. Most of these are first years in the College of Science and in the College of Engineering. So by transforming engineering physics, we can set up more than 20% of our undergraduates for better success during their time here at Notre Dame. This is a big task. Transforming a course is a huge task, and we're really glad that the university is supporting it. Notre Dame Learning is leading us through a 3-year process called the Foundational Course Transformation Academy. In this process, a team of faculty analyze a current course, plan and dream for a better transformed course, and implement that. The goal of the academy is better learning-centered environments for all. Now, the physics team is the first team to go through this process, but the plan is for 1 additional course each year to start through the process. Let me tell you a little bit about what's happened in our process so far. In the first year, we looked at data analysis. We looked at data from institutional research. We talked to students. We talked to faculty. We looked at what our peer institutions were doing in their physics courses. This was like dumping out a box of Legos onto the table and just looking at everything you have available to you before you start planning what you're going to build. Very messy, a little bit overwhelming, but really necessary for this process. In the second year, we started planning our course and deciding what we wanted to do. Through that process, we came up with 4 goals for our transformation. Build student competencies, provide timely additional support to students, support faculty preparation, and make data-informed decisions. There are lots of concrete actions that build up into each of these tasks, but let me tell you about one of them. First, we want to explicitly address problem solving in our course. We want to instruct students on how to solve written problems, the strategies they can use. We want them to practice those skills. We want them to get feedback on those skills. They'll get feedback on those skills during tutorial sections or in their homework. And then finally, we will assess those skills with an exam or a quiz. So that goes very much into our building student competencies plan. Now, in the third year of this process, we're going to create the course materials. We're going to decide on the syllabus, make all of our course policies to support our students and their learning. And then in the spring of 2026, we're going to roll out 1 brand new course for our students. I really look forward to talking more about that in a year and sharing with you all of the success that I'm sure we're going to have.